Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best in tool reviews and demonstrations. Before we dive into today's exciting content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. We have a treat for you today. The powerful, the efficient, the game changer, the Makita chainsaw. And if you're as excited as we are about this tool, make sure to check out the link in the description below to buy the Makita chainsaw. Now, let's slice into the details. Ever wondered what it takes to slice through the toughest of woods with the ease of cutting butter? The answer lies in a powerful, efficient chainsaw. But not just any chainsaw, we're talking about the Makita chainsaw. Imagine a chainsaw that is powered by not one but two 18V LXT batteries. That's exactly what the Makita chainsaw offers. It's like having a pair of thoroughbred horses under the hood, giving you maximum power and extended runtime for those long, demanding projects. But power isn't all that this chainsaw offers. It's equipped with a Makita-built outer rotor BL brushless motor. Now, what does this mean for you? It means you're getting high power efficiency equivalent to a gas chainsaw. You're getting the power of a gas engine, but without the hassle of fuel, fumes, or noise. The Makita chainsaw also features a direct drive system. This provides you with increased torque, translating to more cutting power. Whether you're tackling a thick oak or a stubborn pine, this chainsaw won't back down. Now, let's talk about precision. This chainsaw sports a 16-inch guide bar. This long reach allows for precise cuts, even in thick logs, and with its variable speed control, you can adjust your cutting speed to match the task at hand. But it's not just about power and precision. Convenience is a big player too. The Makita chainsaw offers tool-less chain adjustments. Forget about fumbling with tools mid-task. With this feature, you can adjust your chain on the fly, keeping your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. And we can't forget about safety. This chainsaw comes with an electric brake. This ensures that the chainsaw stops immediately when you release the trigger, preventing accidents and giving you peace of mind. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but what's the catch? Surely a chainsaw with all these features must come with a hefty price tag. That's where you're wrong. Not only does the Makita chainsaw offer all these amazing features, power, efficiency, precision, convenience, and safety, but it's also a reliable investment. With zero emissions and reduced maintenance, this chainsaw saves you money in the long run, making it a wise and sustainable choice. And remember, it's not just a purchase, it's an investment in quality and performance. So don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy the Makita chainsaw. It's a game changer, and it's waiting to redefine your cutting experience. So what's the Makita chainsaw all about? It's about providing maximum power with two 18V LXT batteries. It's about high efficiency with a brushless motor. It's about precision with a 16-inch guide bar and variable speed control. It's about convenience with tool-less chain adjustments. And above all, it's about safety with an electric brake. With zero emissions, reduced maintenance, and a host of convenient features, the Makita chainsaw redefines what a chainsaw can be. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer. It's not just about getting the job done, it's about getting it done better. So, are you ready to redefine your cutting experience with the Makita chainsaw?